Let me show you how to remove and replace this front cover on your DJI Mic Mini 2. So what's absolutely cool compared to the original DJI Mic Mini, we can actually remove and change these faceplates to customize our microphone, maybe to match basically our outfit or whatever. So you see on the microphone over here, on the bottom you can have one groove. So you simply take your fingernail, get it in there, and then you simply pull away like this, and it simply gets removed. As you see, we have two magnets here on this cover here, and even in the cheapest version you actually get two colors. So this is kind of transparent, like grayish, blackish, and also this transparent white one. So this is, for example, what it looks like without anything on it, and this is what it looks with the cover essentially. So it simply snaps on. So you see, using the magnets, and it's a very secure hold, it won't go anywhere. Okay, good luck.